Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the site of the first annual Burke Center Motorcycle Raceway run. And our featured contestants today will be interviewing in just a moment. The first entrant in today's contest is Brian Wilson from Wood Astor Court. Noted race driver. He's driving number 41, a sparkling white, black, and red Marks motorcycle. And right behind him is Sean Kernan. Sean's run this course once or twice, had a few spills, but he shook it off. You notice Sean does trick riding. He only has one handle on his motorcycle. He's a tough guy. They're both rough and tough competitors. Listen to the roar of those engines. Brian, what do you think of this course? You think you can make it?
Yeah.
Think you'll have any trouble with the high speeds that you reach on this course?
No.
You want to say something to your ma?
Okay. Okay. I'm running this race for you, Ma.
I love it. How about you, Shawnee?
It worked!
Who are you running this race for? Say it.
Brian Wilson.
Okay.
It worked!
Great. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a late entrant in this fall classic. Her name is Ann Baffardi. She's the first female contestant to ever enter this dangerous thrill game. Here she comes. With her is her agent, Lou. We'll be ready for the start of this classic in just a few moments. First, a word from our sponsor, Lanier Dictating Machines. Sean, what kind of dictating equipment should everybody have?
Lanier.
Thank you, Sean. Now, back to our show. Mark, get set, go! Aren't you guys going to ride some more? E-Tech. Come on, Buggy.
Hi, Chloe.
What'd you do today?
We go to the houses.
What is today's date?
October